What up, YouTube? Been a while. We are going on an actual moto camping adventure this weekend. I'm so excited. I tried to go moto camping like 2 weeks ago by myself. So I went camping and I set up my camp, set up my hammock, freaking had some dinner, and then a freaking bear ran up on me. I'm not even kidding. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's a bear. I'm going home. So I went home and I failed at moto camping. But this time, I'm bringing a buddy. I'm bringing bear spray and we're gonna have a freaking moto camping adventure. With the bike all packed and loaded down, we are off to wander. Today's adventure is taking us up to Bear Springs outside of Williams, Arizona. We're out here. Heck yeah. We headed north through Chino Valley and got off on Drake Road. You may have seen the plant from the highway. I can't tell you how much joy this brings me, throwing a backpack on a bike and taking it down roads less traveled. Adventures like this are always better when shared, so I'm super thankful that the homie Eric was down to come. Heck yeah, dude!
Okay. Hey. I think this will do. Like knee high.
Belly flop, belly flop! That was so sick. How's that? Not bad. Just gotta launch myself way out.
Yeah, just make sure you're clear.
Dude, for sure. Woo! I tucked so late, dude. Yeah. So sick. Double swing, there's another rope.
Oh yeah.
That's freaking cool. I might need to hold it higher. Yeah! Yeah! I don't know, dude. Yeah! Yo!
A little bit of like the Sedona Red Rock. This is pretty baller.
In a backflip in the night? Yeah, heck yeah. Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god! Hold on! No! Let go! Wow! Jeez. Yeah! Yeah! Jump in.
Yeah, oh, he's over there. I had to. Good morning.
Good morning!
Dude. Dude, you look like a freaking ballerina.
Well guys, that is gonna do it for this episode of Aspen Will Wander. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was so much fun hanging out with Eric and Will. This spot is freaking amazing. There will be many more to come. So, see you next time.
Wow.